This second reaction product again hydrolysis. Second reaction product POH Cl2. That otherwise how to write means HPOCl2 plus hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means now released for 1 HCl. 1 HCl. So remaining H2POCl. H2POCl again hydrolysis. So what happened? That again removal of 1 Cl. Remaining 3 hydrogens H3, 1 phosphorus, 3 oxygen. So phosphorus acid uptake. Phosphorus acid uptake. PCl3 react with alcohol. PCl3 react with alcohol. Alcohol example C2H5OH. How many times means 3 times. That all OH replaced by Cl molecule. So product C2H5Cl 3 times plus HPO. That hydrogens 3 hydrogen, oxygen 3 oxygens, 1 phosphorus. So H3PO3. Phosphorus acid uptake. PCl3 react with carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid example CH3COOH. Here also taken 3 times. So what happened? That all OH group replaced by Cl. CH3COCl 3 times. Remaining 3 hydrogens, 1 phosphorus, 3 oxygens. Here also phosphorus acid uptake. Next uses. Phosphorus trichloride is the used for chlorinating agent. Chlorinating agent. And one more preparations of H3PO3. Now draw the sketches. Phosphorus, that Cl. This front of you given shadow Cl, and dot line show back of the bond Cl. So angle how much means 100 degree. The distance of phosphorus and chlorine backside how much means 204 parameters. That one of the lone pair is octane. One of the lone pair is octane. Next topic, phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus penta means 5 chloride. PCl5 will be prepared. Preparation. Phosphorus trichloride react with the chlorine molecule, gives phosphorus pentachloride. Next, chemical properties. First reaction, phosphorus pentachloride decomposition. Decomposition means PCl3 plus Cl2 octane. That is reversible reaction. Second reaction, phosphorus pentachloride react with the water molecules. That how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen, taken 2 Cl. So 2 HCl. Remaining POCl3. POCl3 again react with the water molecule. So now released again react with the water molecule. How many means 3 times. Again reaction 3 HCl. Remaining H3PO3 octane. So overall reaction POCl3 cancel, POCl3 cancel. Left side remaining PCl5 plus 3 plus 1 4. 4 H2O gives H3PO3 plus 3 plus 2 5 HCl. Phosphorus pentachloride react with metals means metal chloride obtained. Phosphorus pentachloride react with metal means which one is obtained? Metal chloride obtained. Metal chloride obtained. See the first reaction. Silver react with phosphorus pentachloride. Then silver is the divalent, so 2 times will be taken. 2 AgCl plus PCl3, how many times? 2 times. Second metal, DIN, Sn plus PCl5. DIN is the tetravalent, so write 4 times. So what happened? SnCl4 plus 4 PCl3. Next one, react with the alcohol. C2H5 OH plus PCl5. What happened? That left side 1 Cl, right side 1 Cl, center POCl3. C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. That same way followed acid also. Acid example CH3COOH plus PCl5 gives CH3COCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. PCl5 uses. PCl5 also chlorinating agents. PCl5 also chlorinating agent and good replacing for hydroxyl group. Good replacing for hydroxyl group. Only 2 uses. Next group number 16. Group number 16, especially oxygen. Oxygen elements. That oxygen elements belong to which family means cyclone family. Cyclogens family in periodic table. That most of the oxygen element present was oxide and sulfides. Oxide and sulfide. In earth crust also present, how much means that atmosphere 20% only present. Earth crust also present. Earth crust means combined form only formed. Combined form means oxygen and sulfur. Oxygen and sulfur. So oxygen how much percentage? About 46.6 percentage and sulfur 0.034 percentage. And sulfur exists sulfate also. Sulfur exists sulfate also. That is sulfate example gypsum. Gypsum and Epsom, etc. And sulfide also present. Sulfide example Kalina and zinc planet. Kalina and zinc planet also present in volcanic ash. You know organic as? Organic acids. Other elements also found. Other elements example selenide and telluride, etc. In Earth atmosphere, how much percentage of oxygen means 23 percentage of oxygen, and water molecules also 83 percentage of water. So water also having hydrogen, oxygen. So separately 23. In water means 83 percentage will be obtained. The both are rock contain combined form only. Both are rock contain combined form, not free state. Combined form means combination with the another element. Now decomposition of hydrogen peroxide and presence of catalyst MnO2. So oxygen will be obtained. First preparation, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. How many times? 2 times taken. Forward reaction also follow and backward reaction also follow. Forward reaction is oxygen release, remaining H2O. That how many means? 2 times. Go to second preparation. From hydrogen peroxide also. Hydrogen peroxide formula H2O2 plus MnO4 plus 6 hydrogens additions. MnO4 minus how many times means 2 times. Hydrogen peroxide taken 5 times. So 5 oxygen molecule released. 5 O2. 5 O2. That here 10 hydrogens, here 6 hydrogens. Totally in 16. So 16 how to write 8 H2O. 8 H2O. Remaining 2 Mn2 plus. That oxygen will be balanced. That here 5 2s are 10. 10 plus here 4 2s are 8. 10 plus 8 18. Here 10. Here 8. So reaction will be balanced. Go to second preparation, decomposition of metallic oxides. Decomposition of metallic oxides. First one, mercuric oxide. Mercury formula HCO. So 2 times taken. So releasing water, decomposition O2 plus 2He. Second reaction, barium oxide. 2 times taken. So what obtain? O2 plus BaO. How many times? 2 times. Third reaction, KClO3. Decomposition symbol, heat symbol you got to add. In the presence of catalyst, MnO2. In the presence of catalyst, MnO2. Here also 2 times. Means what happened? Total oxygen released. Total oxygens 6. So 3. Remaining 2 KCl. Next, fourth reaction, KNO3. Taken 2 times. Why 2 times means 3 oxygen is not evaluated. So oxygen plus KNO2 2 times. Next properties. Properties first one, that oxygen exists diatomic gas. Oxygen exists diatomic gas. Second one, paramagnetic nature. Second one, paramagnetic natures. Third one, strong hydrogen bonds. Strong hydrogen bond with another elements such as nitrogen and fluorine. And two more allotropy also present. That means dioxygen and trioxygens. The trioxygen another name ozone. That laboratory preparations of ozone. Laboratory preparations of ozone. Next ozone prepared. That ozone prepared means that atmospheric oxygens forward reaction and backward reaction. That atomic oxygens will be obtained. This is for oxygen. That single hydrogen means atomic oxygens. Atomic oxygen again react with oxygens. So what happened? O3 will be obtained. That O3 is called ozone. O3 is called ozones. That pure ozone will be which color means play blue. Play blue. By fractional distillation method will be used. Fractional distillation method will be used. Next structure. Structure of ozone. Oxygens. That structure of ozone means what shape means bend shape. What shape? Bend shape. So oxygen, here also one oxygen, here also one oxygens. First left side 2 double bond, right side 1 bond. So center oxygen getting positive charge and right side oxygen getting negative charge. Now lone pair. Here taking 2 lone pairs. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 will be coming. So added 1 lone pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3 lone pairs. So here also axis means getting positive and negative charge. Then do the resonance. Do the resonance means that put the mirror only. Put the mirror only. Put the mirror means that left side, right side oxygen come to left side oxygen. Left side oxygen come to right side. So center positive charge, here negative charge, 3 lone pairs, here 1 lone pair, here 2 lone pairs. Structure will be over. Next go to chemical properties. Oxygen combines with metals, non-metals to form oxides. To form oxides. That many of the elements, for example, S block elements only combine with them at room temperatures. S block elements combine with them at room temperatures. So oxygen will be less reactive. Oxygen will be less reactive. And exothermic with oxygen means at room temperature also exothermic. Room temperature also exothermics. Finally, divide metals known as pyrophoric acids. Pyrophoric acid. The pyrophoric acid is where used means powder and fire. Powder and fire. Powder and fire during the reactions. And ozone is the powerful oxidizing agent. Ozone formula 3. Ozone is the powerful oxidizing agent compared to oxygen is not. Oxygen is not. Example, potassium iodide to iodine. Example, potassium iodide converted to iodine. You see the reactions. Ozone formula O3 2Ki. That water also available. What formed? Iodine obtained. Iodine formula I2. Releasing oxygens remaining KOH. How many times? That 2K. So front of your right 2. Remaining balance. Ozone commonly used for oxidation of organic compounds. Commonly used for oxidation of organic compounds. Decomposition of oxygens. How to decomposition means an alkaline solution will be used means an ozone decompositions. Next uses. First uses. That oxygen especially common from a living organism. You know very well. Living organism. Second uses welding. Third uses liquid hydrogens. Liquid oxygens. Where used fuel in rockets. Etc. Next topic, sulfur. Sulfur exists two forms. First one, crystalline. Second one, amorphous allotropics. In crystalline, what will be formed means two only formed. That is, first one, rhombic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur simply called alpha sulfur. Second one, monoclinic sulfur. That is called beta. Second case, amorphous allotropic sulfur. Here also three forms. First one, plastic sulfur. That is called gamma sulfur. Second one, milk of sulfur. Third one, colloidal sulfur. So sulfur obtained 5 forms. Now taking rhombochromic sulfur. That rhombic sulfur also known as how to called simply sulfur. Why simply sulfur means that is thermodynamically stable. At ordinary temperatures. And which color is formed means yellow color will be formed. So compost sulfur means how much means S8 molecule. What molecule? S8 times. So heated slowly. Slowly means above 96 degrees Celsius means which sulfur? Monoclinic sulfur will be obtained. So below 96 degrees Celsius. Below 96 degrees Celsius means beta form again also converted back to alpha form. back to alpha form will be converted. Monoclinic sulfur also containing acid molecules. Monoclinic sulfur also containing acid molecules and small amount S6 molecule also obtained that exist in long needle like prisms. How to exist in long needle like prism. Long needle like prism. So also called prismatic sulfur. Also called prismatic sulfur. And stable between 96 degree to 119 degree Celsius will be formed. Slowly changed to rhombic sulfur. Slowly changed to rhombic sulfur. That rhombic sulfur called alpha sulfur.